Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Brand Academy. As always, my name is Brand, I'm Mr. Wynn's twin brother. And today we'll be talking about chapter 13-1, representing sample spaces, okay? Not too hard of a lesson, so it's pretty nice. So we're going to jump straight here to the definition. Sample space of an experiment is the set of all possible outcomes, okay? You might have done this in middle school possibly, but we'll be representing these sample space in a list, a table, and a tree diagram. Okay, so we'll talk about each of those here. So first off, here's an example of a situation. Mr. Wynn packs suits, shirts, and ties that can be mixed and matched. Using the packing list at the right, draw a tree diagram to represent the sample space for a business suit combination. So you look over here, this little box, okay? I have a gray, black, and khaki suit that can go with a white shirt or light blue. And for my ties, I have a striped, and this is optional. So I can go no stripe or striped tie. So looking to the left here, that's what that represents. So a little bit of quick math, right? How many options do I have for my suit color? Boom, 3. How many options do I have for my shirt color? 2. For my tie, my 2 options are tie or no tie. So that's 2 options. So now what we would do here to see the total different outcomes, you would just multiply them all. 3 times 2 is 6, times 2, that would be 12. So you have 12 possible outcomes. Okay? And to really prove this, right, quote unquote, prove this mathematically, you can draw a diagram here. So no need to draw it, we actually just did it here. So you look, outcome number 1, I'll just do like one example. I can wear a gray suit with a white shirt and I'll wear the tie, right? So over here, these are all of my different outcomes, which ends up being 12 outcomes. 12 outcomes, okay? So we get a little practice with like smaller examples. This tree diagram is relatively big. So I'm gonna do example 1 here and you guys will do number 2, okay? So represent the sample space for each experiment as a list, a table, and a tree diagram. Okay, the Fountain Valley High School baseball team can wear blue or white shirts with blue or white pants, okay? So we make a list real quick here. A list, you literally just kind of like, you list it out, I guess, right? I'll try to make it more simple, but the first thing to talk about is shirt. So you can wear a blue shirt with blue pants. Boom, that's one option. You can wear a blue shirt with white pants. You can wear a white shirt with white pants, or you can wear a white shirt with blue pants. So in total, seems like you have 4 outcomes. And this mathematically makes sense as well, because what you could do, you have 2 options here, 2 options here. So what's that? 2 times 2, boom, 4. Okay. We can make a table next. So a table is like a Punnett square, right? People in bio. Okay, a table. Okay, it's like a Punnett square. Boom, boom. Here's your table. That is not a nice table. Anyways, so on top you can put pants. Pants is blue or white. On the left side, you have shirts. You can also go blue or white. So, finishing off this table, you have blue, 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 white. White, blue, depending how you do it. Or white, white. Okay. And again, 4 options, okay? This is kind of like that multiplication table too, right? It's like B times W, boom, BW. W times W, WW. Okay, so that's your table. And here is your tree. Let's make it brown. Tree, your tree diagram. Okay, so let's start. So there's different levels. You start with the outcomes, okay? With the outcomes, your first level, you're gonna talk about pants, okay? Let's talk about pants. Okay, let's do shirts since that's what they said first. Doesn't really matter. Shirts, we have blue and we have white. And then after that, what's my next level? My next level is pants. You have two options, blue or white. Same thing here, blue or white. Oops, let me fix that. Boom. Okay, the last one is the outcomes. So the outcomes from this here, you can go blue, 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 white, white, blue, white, white, and boom. Again, 4 sample spaces. Okay, so depending how you want to go down the tree, you can go bam, bam, which gets you blue, blue, or you can go bam, bam, which is blue, white, or white, blue, white, white. Okay. All right, try number 2 on your own. It's real quick, right? Just get a little practice with it, and then we'll come back to do part 2. All right, real quick, take a look. Okay, nothing too special. I probably made this notes a long time ago. Captain America: Civil War, or Keanu, with adult supervision. Okay, for those of you guys, okay, don't sue me. So it's Captain America, and what the heck? Oh yeah. So I can pick Captain America and then Bellaterra, Captain America, Metro Point, Keanu, Bellaterra, so forth. Okay, so check that out. On to the back. So there is a name for what we do when we multiply our sample spaces. This is what we call the fundamental counting principle. Okay, so essentially what this is the number of all possible outcomes for an experiment can be found by multiplying the number of possible outcomes from each stage or event. So for example, N1 is like the color shirt, right? Like the color shirt, how many options there are, times the number of pants, times the socks, so forth, okay, into all the events equals your total outcome, okay? And so let's kind of do this example right here together. So again, what we've been doing, that's what we call our fundamental counting principle, okay? So here's an example. The pattern for a certain license plate is 3 letters followed by 3 numbers, okay? The letter O is not used in any of the letters and the number 0 is not used, okay? Or else it gets confusing, right? So any other letter or number can be used multiple times. How many license plates can be repeated with this pattern? Oh, not repeated, created. That is a big difference. Created. Okay, so my first space. Okay, my first space has to be a letter, right? It has to be a letter, but it can't be O. So how many letters are in the alphabet? 26. 26 minus 1 is 25. Okay, letters could be repeated. So my first 3 are letters, right? Then my second 3 are numbers. So, but I do not include 0. Okay, so 1 through 9, that's 9 digits. Boom. And so now how can I find out all the different combinations for this? You would multiply them all. Okay, just a little quick mental math. This ends up being 11,390,625 different license plates. Okay. And you essentially take that number and you're going to copy it here. Boom. Cool. All right. So we're gonna talk about 2 examples here. We'll do 1 and 2 together, and then you could do 3. Okay. So at Chipotle, you decide to make a burrito with 1 choice from each option. Okay. Here's the key: 1 choice. Okay. It's like one of those ghetto Chipotles. So you can't do half and half. You can't do white and brown rice. Okay. You can only pick 1. Okay. It's one of those ghetto Chipotles. So for your rice option, you have brown or white. How many options is that? Boom, that's 2. Black or pinto beans, boom, 2 options. Choice of meat, chicken, steak, carnitas, boom, 3 options. Salsa, boom. How many sides do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We're not getting extra guacamole. It's a bit too expensive, so we're gonna try a budget. Okay. So no guacamole option. Wait, is that 4? Look here. Corn, sour cream. Ah, that's 1 option total, right? Dang, tricked myself. So that's 3 total. Okay. You can't just get sour. You can't just get cream. You get sour cream. Okay, so these are all your events, right? Each one of these here, guys, is an event. So all these events, you multiply them all, you should get 108 possible outcomes. Yay. Okay, so instead of making that tree diagram or that table, you can just, that's the beauty of math, okay? Shortcuts, okay? Shortcuts. Okay, number 2. Mr. Win is getting ready for a hot date. Oh, just a date, not a hot date. Oh, okay, let's pretend it's a hot date. That's more fun. It's a hot date. As always, he takes hours to get ready. What are all the possible outfits he can wear on his date? Alright, guys. So, it's a hot date, so I'm going to bring my A game. The number of shirts. Okay, let's see all my shirt options here. Ooh, okay, you know I had to wear Nike. Okay, Nike and Jordan. Okay, it's a hot date. How many options is that? Boom, that's 6, right? 6 shirts. Okay. Boom, 6 different shirts. Okay, how many pants or shorts? Okay, so again, it's a hot date, so you bet I'll be wearing my Nike shorts. Okay, Nike shorts, high classy brand. Boom, that's 5. Okay, 5 right here. Boom. Okay, socks. Okay, this is a big deal. Okay, socks is a huge deal, especially since I'm wearing shorts. Okay, checking out all my socks here. Boom, 12 options. Okay, my shoe. Where's my shoe game? Where's my shoes? Oh, here's my shoes. Okay, well, there's only 4 shoes right here. Okay. Okay, look at this, guys. Dang, that's that broom right here. That's that broom my dad hit me with. But it's cool. You know, we forgive. We move on. Okay. 4 shoes. Boom. And the watches, I'm going to put the pictures out of order. But there's 2 watches. Okay, you can take a look. Yeah, not too fancy. You know, it's like the first date, right? Not, you know, stick with the simple Nixon watch. Okay, so all the possible ways I can put together my outfit. You multiply this all together. Let's do 30. This is 8. What's 30 times 12? That's 360, right? 360 times 8, what is that? 360 times 8. Dang, 2,880 ways I can get ready. Okay, see girls, see how much stress guys have to put in to get ready for a date? Look at all of that. Alright, anywho, please do number 3, and then that's it, okay? Hit pause and do number 3 on your own. Okay, easy stuff here. Drama club tryouts. Okay, there's 6 roles and 1 act. 5 people audition for the female lead. Boom, 5 different females. 3 leads for the male, Malay. 8 for the best friends. 4 for the mom. 2 for the dad. 3 for the crazy. Everyone has one. Don't play with me. Everybody has a crazy aunt. Multiply that together. Oh wow, is it really 2,088? 2,880. Wow. Cool stuff. Okay, guys. Hopefully homework's not too bad. Yeah, you gotta read it carefully, okay, and then break it down, okay, how many outcomes you have. Good luck. Happy Monday.